Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Nakul from Techboy, and today I have one of the cheapest Android smartwatch that I came across on a random website. So today I'm gonna unbox it, see the first impression, how does it look and everything. And in the end I will tell you from where I got it and what's the price of this smartwatch. One thing I can assure you that this is one of the cheapest one that I've came across. It's really cheap. Plus, I have not seen this watch in a person. I have not seen it, not open it. I've only seen a few pictures of it online, so this is the first time for me as well. So let's unbox this, see what's it all about. Okay guys, so here is the first look. As you can see, just says smartwatch. There's no company, nothing at all. We don't even have a sticker or a tick on which color this smartwatch is. As I said, it's really cheap. There's no company. It's just a local Chinese smartwatch. And as you can see, nothing at all. No stickers, no price. God. Anyways, let's see. Okay. So, okay. Is it empty? Oh no, there it is. Oh god, I got scared for a moment. Okay, so here it is. And what's this? Okay, so this is the battery. And lithium ion battery, as you can see. And it's 380 mAh. Made in China, obviously. We have the charge cable. It's micro USB to USB A. So no documentation, nothing at all. That's all we have. Let's take it out. Let's see what it's all about. I don't have very high hopes. In fact, I don't have any hopes at all. Oh. Well, this is really cheap if you ask me. And before I open this and turn on this device, I want to tell you that I don't remember the photo of the watch that I ordered, but I feel like this is not the one. So definitely first impressions are really not that good, and I have no idea how to open it up. So just give me a moment, let me open this up, and I will get back to you. Okay, so I did open it, and to my surprise, there was nothing like that. I had to squeeze this or anything. I just put my thumbnail over here and just pulled it off. So, and we do have a slot for the SIM card and a micro SD card. Wow, so this is basically a proper Android small phone, you can say. Anyways, let's put in this battery. See what's the fuss is all about. The cheapest one, not the cheapest one, but one of the cheapest, I would say. And here we go. So if you want to open this, all you have to do is put your thumb here and pull it off. That's it. Not very secure, is it? Okay, so let's power it on. See if it has some battery. Whoa. You know what? It's cheap. Anything is cheap when you get such sounds when a device turns on. That's okay. So yeah, it's touch screen, by the way. So it does say insert SIM over there. The battery is full. I don't know how it's getting the network because there is no SIM inside. We have call option. Whoa. Actually, the touchscreen is pretty sensitive. It's actually capacitive touchscreen. As you can see, I'm barely touching the screen. It's really nice. We do have messages as well. And we have a button. Okay, so we do have a button over here. I pressed it and it changed to this mode. Now again, it's cheap. when you, okay, how to get that thing. Okay, I have no idea how to use this, so there was something, yeah. Oh, it comes and it goes. No, 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 I want that back. So it comes for a second, but when it comes, as you can see, it's not properly aligned. The bottom part is showing more and the top part is hidden. It's not even properly aligned. Here we go. Oh god. I feel like I just wasted my money. Actually, I knew that's gonna happen, but anyway, so let's take a look. Okay, so we can set the time, we have date, and we have the call option, we have alarm, quick response, audio player, looking phone, it says. Then we have the file manager, camera. Let's check out the camera. Does it even, oh, it does turn on. Hey guys. So it does have a camera right over here and it does works. So let's take a picture. Okay, please insert memory card. Okay, that's cool. We have options in the camera settings. You fucking kidding me? Oh god. We made setting white balance scene mode. Whoa. Okay. We have messaging and let's go. We have remote capture, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. And there's this one button over here. I don't know what does it do. If it does something or not. I have no idea. Oh, okay. It's not a button. It's a charging point. This is where your charging cable goes. I'm definitely not gonna wear this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Now I'm gonna try and return it. Let's see if I can return it, because let me open the website first. Let's see if it's the same one that I ordered. Okay guys, so it's definitely not the watch that I ordered. So here is the watch that I ordered, and this is the website wishful.in that I came across randomly, and this is the watch that I was supposed to get. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool here, and it's nowhere near the same one. Nowhere near. And it cost only 1,000 rupees, but I didn't want to risk it, so I did a code order for which I paid 1,300 for the code plus extra 100 for the shipping. So I ended up paying 1,400 rupees for this watch, this piece of crap, you can say. And this is what I was supposed to get. I didn't. And as I am seeing, there's a warranty and all that stuff, and it says 800 mAh battery, but it's definitely not 800. And over here it says waterproof IP67, but I just saw that the back cover just comes out, but by just putting a thumbnail inside it, in between the cover and the watch. So I don't think it's waterproof at all. I mean, look at this. It looks pretty nice for $1,000, isn't it? But this is not what I got. Secure shipping, or okay. Okay, let's try free returns. I want to return this. So over here, just a mobile number. So I'm gonna call and say that I wanna return this, or either send me the watch that was shown in the picture. Let's see what they say, because I am recording this very late. As you can see, this is the time at night when I'm recording this. So yeah, this is the cheapest, one of the cheapest Android smartwatch, and I'm surely gonna return this. It's just a piece of crap. So yeah, beware of wishful.in website, guys, and don't end up buying such piece of crap unless you really want such a watch. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now, guys. This was the unboxing of the one of the cheapest Android smartwatch. Thank you for watching. If you have any hilarious comments or anything, just put them in the comments down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, I will do give you an update that if I was able to return this or not, because I really want to return this. Let's see. Catch you next time.